Okay, we're continuing with complex numbers. If you missed the last lesson on how to simplify these with the letter I, please see the previous video. But now we're going to do equations with the letter I. So when you see an equation like this, what you're going to want to do is make two equations. The real numbers, okay, 3x is real. This is imaginary, so we leave that alone for now. And the 6 is real. So 3x equals 6. So we're going to get rid of those for now. And now we're going to make an equation out of what's imaginary. So negative 5i equals negative 10yi. So now we're going to solve both equations. This one's easy. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. X equals 2. This one we're going to divide by negative 10i to get rid of the y, to get the y alone. So divide by negative 10i. So these cancel. I'm left with y on the right. The i's cancel. Negative 5 over negative 10 is positive 1/2. So y equals 1/2 and x equals 2. Okay, for this one, let's do another one. Again, what's real on the left? Just the 2x is real on the left. And what's real on the right? It's that negative 8. And what's imaginary on the left is negative 6i. And imaginary on the right is 20yi. So divide by 2, x equals negative 4. And then here I would divide by 20i to both sides. So negative 6 over 20 reduces to negative, negative 3 over 10. And the i's cancel. So we're left with y equals negative 3 over 10. Now, if you look at the next slide here, I'm asking you to complete the square to find the roots, to find the zeros. I'm going to have you try that one on your own. Just remember, here's the thing about what's going to happen at the end, okay? We're going to end up with something that looks, well, I don't know what the number is in here, but let's just say we get this, okay? That means our roots are going to be imaginary. So we learned yesterday that that would be plus or minus 6i, okay? So when you do this one out, you're going to end up getting a negative inside the radical, which is fine. That just means that your roots are imaginary. So that means when we draw our graph, it's not going to cross the x-axis, okay? Our roots are imaginary. Never crosses this line right here, okay? All right, so why don't we work on some of the problems we just did there. Let's do that problem I just asked you about, and let's do 26 and 27.